Sprinter vans have become a super popular way to explore and camp right from your vehicle, but they come with one big problem, and that's side-to-side sway and roll. If you've driven one, you know exactly what I'm talking about. In this video, we're gonna show you how to solve that problem. If you've ever driven a Sprinter van on the highway, especially in a crosswind, you've definitely experienced side-to-side sway and roll. And that can not only feel uncomfortable to drive, but it's actually unsafe. Timbren SES offers a solution that solves that very problem. This is a DIY solution that you can do yourself in less than 30 minutes in your driveway with basic hand tools that you already have laying around the house. These Timbren SES kits designed for your Sprinter van have been uniquely designed in this shape to eliminate side-to-side sway and roll. They're going to give you a lot more stability performance. And as soon as you've solved stability problems, you've solved safety problems. You're going to be a lot safer on the road with this kit under your van. Each one of these kits comes with a lifetime warranty and a 100-day money-back guarantee. Head on over to Timbren.com and transform the way that you camp with your Sprinter van right now.